So we were tasked with being given the task of looking and reviewing the GoReact website and app. And with this, we were told to look for some solutions and to generally explore what these solutions would be. And with the tools we've been given while learning in this class, we were also allowed to use any of the resources in our own toolkit to help solve some of these GoReact problems. So after being tasked with this, I took a look at the GoReact and I saw that it lacked a great deal of unification, or a feeling that each page or section is part of the same website or kind of just unit. We can see here that the home page looks clean and generally pretty good for most website standards. But once we log in and head on over to our courses, we see the website doesn't keep the same feel or style as the landing page. Once we load into the course page, we are almost bombarded with lots of information, and almost too much information for the navigator to process. The taskbar isn't the same as it was on the home page. There are titles where most would look for a navigation bar or any other tools for organization, and it is also a search bar where almost no search bar is universally located. We're also given the assignments to the left, but it's almost very hard to understand that as soon as you get here. There is no label organization to this. Also, as a student, you are given a start assignment as well as a create assignment, which seems a bit odd, almost if as a teacher should only have this. And there is also no really feedback if you are on a page as a student or as a teacher, and what you're kind of doing almost. All these tools should be instantly recognizable, but yet they are different and not the same. And kind of my summary to this is that there's too much for a new user or even an advanced consistent user to get a hang of or use as a permanent website. So kind of for looking at the solutions, I saw what needed to be fixed. So I want to kind of go rework the GoReact course pages to become a more unified website, as well as fixing some locations of actions and other parts of the website. First, I gave the course pages a more unified feel and look to as the home page. We first see as the home page we first see when we go to GoReact. It allows the users to still recognize where they are and keep simple, easy to navigate page with labels of current courses worked on as well as what future courses will be. The search bar is also at a place that it is almost always located, so they won't have to struggle on where they have to search things. I also gave the course videos their own areas and didn't cram them in with loads of information and allowed it to be easily recognizable right off the bat. Each one is easy to read and in their own areas. And it also just shows us, if there's a video connected or a reading material course connected to it, and doesn't really just give you the text of what it is. The video page stays similar also to its older version, but I removed some of the old unneeded taskbar with the name of the current video that it used to display. I now gave it a much larger and easier to read location to help the user receive feedback on where they are and what they are watching. The taskbar on this page also stays virtually similar to the courses page and allows the user to keep the same navigation techniques as before to have easy recognizability and know how to exit and cancel current actions they've already done and get back to where they need to be if they misclicked. Finally, with the mobile app, I made it so it didn't have a completely different look from the desktop app as the current GoReact has. It almost has no virtual same feel to it or similar aspects as the desktop version did. It, I also gave it a redesign of the course. I also I gave them an easy to use bottom bar for navigation and feedback as well to help understand where they are and keep it virtually the same. So it is also easy to spot for the search bar since most mobile apps and landing pages almost always have a bottom bar with this kind of navigation. Thank you.